Hi everyone! Today I'm reviewing Pingo AI, a language learning app that's been getting a lot of attention lately. I've been testing it specifically for Italian, and in this video, I'll share what the app does, how it works, and what my experience using it has been like. Once you download the Pingo AI app, the first step is choosing your language, in my case Italian, and your current skill level. From there, you can pick from over 200 conversation scenarios, or even create your own. The app gives you two main modes, Tutor Mode and Roleplay Mode. I tried both. Tutor Mode is great for beginners. It walks you through introductions, basic phrases, and pronunciation in guided dialogues. Once I felt more comfortable, I switched to Roleplay Mode, which simulates real conversations. For example, I practiced ordering food and booking a hotel room, all in Italian. When you start a roleplay, the app assigns you a role, for example, person A, and the AI takes the other side. It feels almost like talking to a native speaker. You actually speak out loud, and the AI responds naturally, adapting to your pace and level. After each conversation, Pingo gives feedback on your grammar, vocabulary, fluency, and even how well you kept the conversation going. There's also a transcript of what you said, and you can save words to your personal vocabulary list for later review. That part really helped me notice my weak spots. I found Pingo AI really useful for practicing Italian speaking in a low-pressure way. It feels immersive and helps you get comfortable speaking out loud, which is something many other apps overlook. I also liked being able to repeat lines, slow down the AI, or request corrections. It gave me more control over the learning process. That said, there are a couple of drawbacks. The free trial is very limited. I was only able to try one short conversation before needing to subscribe. And I heard some users also mention that the app can lag or disconnect in the middle of a lesson, which can be frustrating. And while the feedback is helpful, I noticed it sometimes highlights only one mistake instead of giving detailed corrections. Overall, Pingo AI is a creative way to practice Italian through real-life conversations with an AI tutor. It's available anytime, it adapts to your level, and it definitely helps you build confidence in speaking. Still, the limited free access and subscription cost may be a barrier for some learners. If you're curious about new ways to practice Italian, Pingo AI is worth checking out. And before I wrap up, there is another tool that I would also recommend, and that's Think in Italian. Think in Italian is an all-in-one platform that helped me go from memorizing words to actually speaking Italian and thinking in it. It combines structured audio lessons, bite-sized bilingual readings, and a super customizable AI tutor that makes learning feel natural and personal. Let's start with the audio lessons. These are made up of bilingual sentences, like mini dialogues, that show you exactly how to say things in Italian. They're organized into 3 parts, A, B, and C, so it's not just repetition. It actually builds your understanding gradually. I can control the playback speed, adjust the volume, and if I ever get stuck, I just click on any word or sentence and it breaks it down for me. It's a great way to learn grammar patterns and vocabulary without the overwhelm. Honestly, I started recognizing sentence structures and building phrases way faster than with traditional lessons. It just feels more intuitive, more like how we learned our first language. Then there are the readings, which are quick 1-minute stories, jokes, dialogues, or even songs. Each one comes with Italian and English audio and a bilingual transcript, so I can listen, follow along, and really see how the language works in context. There are over 1,200 of these, and I love how I can fit them into my day, even when I just have 5 minutes. Now this is where it gets really cool, the AI tutor. This is where I get to talk in Italian, either by typing or recording my voice, and get instant feedback. I can have a casual chat, practice a roleplay situation like ordering food or booking a hotel, or even review the lessons I've completed. It adjusts to my level, and the suggestions it gives help me express myself more naturally. Sometimes I'm not sure what to say next, so I just click a button and it suggests sentences to keep the conversation going. There's even a settings menu where I can change the tutor's personality, tweak how it interacts with me, and see my conversation history. After a few messages, I can even download my chats to track progress over time, which I find super useful. So yeah, between the structured lessons, bite-sized content, and the AI conversation tool, Think in Italian really covers all the angles. It's been the most well-rounded and flexible platform I've used so far to actually speak Italian, not just study it. If you're looking for something that's intuitive, fun, and helps you practice real-world Italian every day, I'd definitely say give it a try. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out.